Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how to reset your Raspberry Pi to its factory settings. This is useful if you're selling your Pi, troubleshooting major issues, or simply want a fresh start. There are several ways to do this, depending on what you need. We'll cover reimaging your SD card, which is the most complete reset. Before we begin, remember that resetting your Raspberry Pi will erase all data on the SD card. Make sure you have backed up any important files before proceeding. The easiest and most reliable method involves using the Raspberry Pi Imager software. First, you'll need a computer with an SD card reader. Download the Raspberry Pi Imager from the official Raspberry Pi website. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once downloaded, install and open the Imager. Inside the Imager, you'll see a few options. Click on Choose OS. Here, you have several choices. You can select the official Raspberry Pi OS, or other operating systems like Ubuntu. Choose the operating system you want to install. If you want a completely clean start, select the standard Raspberry Pi OS. Next, click on Choose Storage. This will display the SD cards connected to your computer. Make sure you select the correct SD card. Be extremely careful here, as choosing the wrong drive could erase data on your computer. Double-check that you have selected the SD card intended for your Raspberry Pi. After selecting the correct OS and storage, click Write. A warning message will appear, reminding you that all data on the SD card will be erased. Confirm that you have backed up any necessary data and click Yes to proceed. The Imager will now download the operating system and write it to the SD card. This process may take some time, depending on your internet speed and the size of the OS. Once the writing process is complete, the Imager will verify the installation. This ensures that the OS was written correctly. After verification, you'll see a message indicating that the process is complete. You can now safely remove the SD card from your computer. Insert the newly imaged SD card into your Raspberry Pi. Power on your Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi will boot up with the freshly installed operating system. You will be greeted with the setup wizard, just like when you first got your Pi. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your Raspberry Pi. This includes setting your language, keyboard layout, and connecting to your Wi-Fi network. You'll also be prompted to create a user account and set a password. After completing the setup wizard, your Raspberry Pi will be ready to use with a clean installation. That's it. You have successfully reset your Raspberry Pi to factory settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing it. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're not already, please subscribe for more Raspberry Pi tutorials and projects. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy tinkering!